police though. What's up, guys? We are back again with another video. Obi and I are gonna talk about if we ever get police ever arrest we are if we ever get stopped by police.
Police harassment, the first time.
Yeah.
Or if ever.
If ever. So that's our topic today.
And
you wanna go first, babe? You go first.
Alright. Coming up, as I say, 4 away at Bridging. Coming up.
As he said before in the other video, he have 4 bridging.
No, 3 bridging.
3 bridging. He make 4.
He make 4.
Right.
So growing up in a way, every time me go in off of the road and come back out, near the police pass through and people running up and down, go on, and me just never get caught up in this police thing. And so me never really get harassment from police. Me never know what it is like until me about. But until I start work, maybe, about 21, so 22.
Okay. So you're big enough.
Yeah. But compared to my brethren,
they were younger?
Them go through all the police harassment, police,
Yeah.
Them not get locked up, because what bad, but another gun badness.
Right.
I just hustling and hungry and for feed yourself and thief mango and thief mango.
Thief mango off a people tree.
Yeah, and we're going to see.
We do it too. Everybody do it as a country picnic, pick mango off a people tree.
But that's what I told me about. I'm going to see. Upon Sunday, when I come back from see, I'm going to take away. Straight from cigar and it comes straight up the whole of them play. Them people in yard feel it.
See, you know you used to go.
Sigani. Sigani Beach.
I don't know which part that day.
That's how we don't do it.
Okay.
We used to walk past and Uncle Rai used to live down that way there.
Right.
We used to walk, and I tell nobody say my uncle live over there, so I read all film tree too. Panganut and a mango tree. Every yard, as long as you have a mango tree or a panganut tree in your yard, you get checked out.
Yeah.
You run up in your tree and a residential area that too.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Do it too.
as I said, I never get harassment by police. Police never interrogate me or anything like that before. So one Saturday now, and this time now I'm big now, I work and thing. Superstar now,
Collect up your money now.
Yeah,
Nobody can chat to you.
money now, and So one Saturday even now, we're up on the road. We always play domino and load and everything there in the road, on the back road. Yeah, Mountain View, the main road, half a Mountain View on the back road. So on the road now, I play domino on the Saturday evening now. I had the man them time there now. 4 hours I play a pound of domino for liquor. Yeah, win up. When you look at my foot, liquor. P against there, my foot. Win. The star. Then tell me a big player, big domino. I'm still a big domino player still. But anyway, when I come and look up the road, I say, boom. 1 police car, 2 police car, then Jeep, 3 Jeep, truck, 2 truck. About 10 police vehicles brought the corner and come down, The whole avenue line off with police vehicle. 3 car, 4 Jeep, 3 truck, them big empty soldier lorry truck, them big truck,
Yeah. No, them man.
Yeah, it was a police team that go around them time. I don't remember if I did acid. I think it was acid. The acid squad. At that time.
Them time the Adams in
No, it wasn't Adams. Adams that run acid?
I don't remember.
But it wasn't Adams. It was before Adams' time. I think it was acid. I'm not sure. But anyway, place full of police now, and police them jump out and don't move. Very hands up. This that all the full 9 yard. If a man line up every man now and ask every man their name. So me kind of there at the back of the line, like, and when them ask the man them name, the man I tell them name, they move on. Ask the next man, tell them, move on, ask. But me not pre-analyst what them are saying, and me just did there and I say, boy, I just want them to just hurry up and go on about them business.
Because the police never harass you yet, so you're not look for no see the police come bother you.
Yeah, I'm gonna listen when the other man say. I name them, I ask, I come down the line. So when they reach to me, I just tell them my name. Boom, and they reach to me now. What your name, boss? I tell them my name. I tell the man my name. Man, I say, but you don't know your name. I say, what you mean I don't know my name? I say, what you mean I don't know my name? I say, you don't know your name, man. I say, what your name? I say, my name Max.
Right.
So I laugh and I say, you don't know your name. Are you a dog? And he called to his colleagues and said, come and ask someone your name. So me start get dark now, because I embarrassment this to me now, Because the road full of people now and, girls and them way they run and, everybody are listening with my interrogation now. Me think say, them not just ask me my name, I tell them my name and them just go on my business now. Them take a sip on me now. Call to his colleagues then come. So ask someone your name, because like you don't know his name. So his colleagues them say, what your name, man? I say, my name Max. Them a laugh and I said, you don't know your name, man. So man, I say, go in that truck, you don't know your name. He said, go in that truck. When you look at that truck, the truck big, too big truck. They're big and empty, No one in that truck yet, He said, me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. Innocent, hard-working man. Them I forgot grease the truck first for going at this big empty truck here. He said, go in that truck. I'm going in that truck. And I start get dark now, And I talk to them like I'm a virgin man I talk to.
Yeah. Now going on a truck.
Yeah, I said, I'm not going on a truck. I'm not going on a truck for I'm not do nothing. Man, I said, you don't know your name, so go in a truck. I said, go in a truck for name. He tell me them not tell them my name already, man. What nothing about going in a truck about. So then call over everybody. It's like I'm the main attraction now, I mean, I like the embarrassment that for me now,
Yeah.
And man, them come over and say, what your name? Everybody come ask me my name. I say, well, everybody ask me my name, I'm done I tell you already.
Alright.
When I tell you my name, I want to still ask me. I want to deaf or what? And then with the way I talk to the police.
They might get hungry.
Yeah, because I get hungry.
So them then I get like
Them a
feel
laugh
like-
after me.
Eh?
Yeah, because them a laugh, But the one I said going at the truck now,
In serious?
serious.
Okay.
A couple of them I said going at the truck. So, when we get more irritable now, I get more darker now.
Right.
And when them start say, you a dog?
Yeah, that's road.
You must say, go in a truck, you don't know your name. You a dog? So what do you say if me a dog now? And I said, go in a which
They
truck.
might violate.
Yeah, I said, go in a which truck. I said, I'm not going in a truck. I'm not going in a truck. And nobody else not tell me what to say, just me and them.
Right.
Nobody else not say nothing. But in everybody, there is always at least one good.
In every good, it's
And in every good,
it's always a bad.
at least one bad. One of the police them just walk across and come to me and say, my youth, whenever police asks your name, you need to give them your full name.
Yeah.
Your first name and your last name.
And it clicking on my head, It clicking on my head when it either say it like, if I your full name, you have to tell them. But when me a driver say, then him couldn't just say, tell me your full name instead of dry it out. Yeah, instead of dry it out like that, them no could have just say, tell me your full name. When you say your first name and that them want, so Virgin, you don't have a last name, tell me your full name instead of them send you in a truck.
Yeah, that's why I'm
and do all
clown
of
me
that.
out. Saturday evening, I road full of people and them there, They just me a clown me out.
Fool and take your fuck.
Yeah, man. But me style them up still. me no tell them no bad or nothing like that, but me chat back to them. So the good one come over and say, yeah man, when the police ask your name, man, just give them your full name, your first name, and your last name. So I say, then if I'm a full name, I don't want, then could I just say it? I say, I don't like say it's a work, I go look. It's not like it's an application, I full out time, I go look at job. When they ask me my name, I give them a full name. I say, this is not a job. This is not a work when I look. When I go do, wait up benefit me if I just go on my full name. Say, no, do nothing for me. Me never know.
And back then, people don't like tell police them full name either, not even them real name. Because me grew up in a ghetto, no. how when police come out,
especially if you're a wrongdoer.
Yeah.
If you're a wrongdoer,
if you're a wrongdoer,
you don't want to give them the right name.
They don't want people. They don't want to give the people them police them right name. All the people that don't wish about me used to live. All the people used to do that, but me never get pulled over at Jamaica by police or police harass me at Jamaica. Me can't remember that. But me know since me come here, me barely living on Chuai water in a courthouse. Because
Why?
Because me get ticket and end up in a court and me stand up in the courthouse. First of all, how me get the ticket is that in the morning, me reach at work 7 o'clock. So me drive out and me drive out and my sister me have 15 minutes to reach at work. So me that drive. Here you can turn right pan red. It wasn't red, it was almost amber. Because amber catch me in the middle of the road. But because pedestrian across, me stopping at the road and make the pedestrian cross. Then me go on. The other set of vehicle then now on Park Avenue come catch me up in the middle of the road, but because the pedestrian was crossing, me couldn't drive on them, and it dark. Even though at 7 it did dark. So when me go down now, me younger hear police behind me pull me over and stop me, tell me say me obstruct traffic and obstruct traffic light, and 3 ticket the man give me. 3 ticket. And me ending up go to court, but call me lawyer and talk to my lawyer about it, we go to court, go in a court and then dismiss the whole of them. But the hardest part of it, me have to pay. Me have to pay money. So that hurt me.
Yeah, them dismiss the ticket them.
Yeah.
So you pay money for.
And dismiss the ticket.
They pay money for them get the points.
Yeah.
So if them dismiss the ticket.
Yeah, then dismiss the
ticket. You
ticket.
couldn't get no points.
Yeah, no, me not get no points, cause my lawyer make sure so me not get no points. Cause when him look upon where him say it don't make no sense after me explain to him what happened.
So what you get?
So
you pay for them.
There is another time.
The fee.
Yeah, there's another time now when me go to court again and ball, but that have nothing to do with the police. But we talk about that another time. But why me did I cry? I never cry for the ticket, but I cry when I go. When they take my vehicle and I go to court. And I say, I live in Jamaica for so many years and I never go to courthouse and come to America, come go to courthouse. Yo, when you look at me, say, yeah, what at my ball, and it cost me how much money for get back my car at that time then. And then police pull me over again. Me I come from DC and give me ticket. So that was like a 3rd time police ever pull me over. You see who cute? And who bring off who? Lord Jesus, all that them are inbox me about. Who bring off who? With the first video.
I look at my complexion.
You're browning?
Me? No, me. You're browning. I saw something black.
Let me say, in the other video when you say, who bring off who? Everybody laugh.
Everybody say me bring off you.
Nobody don't say who bring off who. I know me can't say nobody text me and say who bring off who. They don't say that. Oh my God, that was funny. Right.
Hey, you're the piece of no people. And so me I say, you got me I take it back to youth days. The same man who have the shop will keep party at your time, as I said in the previous video. Coming up to him party on September. Him said no go buy, him have a shop, enough look at time, we make a little hustling off and him said no go buy liquor. Him said no go buy liquor 1 and 2 stuff. When him go wholesale and go buy grocery and the taxi come, we unload the taxi and then we will give you food, like bun and cheese or, So, coming up to him party now and give him money for go buy liquor for party. So them time, a party, so if you buy more liquor than what you normally buy. Party. So come so boom now and you see him, my brethren, when I say he's a real hustler, a 4-hour brethren, but you have one of them out of the 4, many him closer than the rest of the next 2.
Yeah, you still know them, you still talk to them now?
Until they say 2 of them dead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 of them dead. 2 of them they get real bad, like them transform from our kind of badness to the next stage of badness where Real badness now when them carry them tall up and the whole 9 yard and
I take out that so.
tall up. No, take out. Yeah, them and then get put out by the same tall up, you know, them. So two of them, but the one me and him close, when I say me and him the closer than the next two, him still around in there. You must say they're Cali or Miami.
Okay.
Yeah, well, him now, the man give him money for go buy liquor. At that time, you know, I like $70 man give him for go buy liquor. You know.
All the money that?
Yeah, and truck. Him have an truck. So normally when we go buy liquor female, 4 cases of liquor, 5 cases of liquor on the hand truck. This time now, we go buy liquor, we go buy all my 10, 12 cases of liquor on the hand truck there, but we know for pack it and tie it on them way there. So we take turn and push it. Him push it part way, me will push it part way. So we go. We depend on Winners Road now with the hand truck. I go to the liquor store. This man out of the blues come to me and say, oh, him just come from foreign. When you look at him, really look like him just come from foreign. You know, say him just come from foreign and a 2 carry them a travel. Him have the one with the suitcase and thing. But he must say, the car run out of gas. And it's like, he must say, not have no. Them tell me we are youth when I think same could have got a gas station. If a US have, you still can go to the gas station and buy gas with the US. We don't think that. So, you know, you're naive, we never know certain things. So I saw him trick with. Anyway, come to me and say, the car run out of gas and him have a car, the trunk full of stuff when he came from suitcase and he might look at my foot and say, yeah, I have shoes I can't fit on it too, you know. He's telling me one shoes in a party, you know. Party, the cover a party, I mean, you say shoes? What? Yeah, I'm ready. I say, yeah, man, I have shoes in that car trunk I can't fit all you, know. What size I wear? He read out, telling me size quick and fast. And he must say, all right, just give me such a, we end up giving the whole of the money. $20 we'll get to buy the liquor.
What?
Well, him say we'll get back the money, you know. We don't remember the full story, but the thing is, we'll get back the money. We just agreement for go buy the gas. When you go buy the gas, you go come with the car and open the car trunk and give it this and give it that and whatever. We take up the man money, give the man. And we out there. The man show with the car up the road, you know, so see car there. You know. So when we give the man the money now, he said, just go on up at the car. Go wait for me, because I'm going to drive our next car.
Oh my gosh.
Go buy the gas and come back. We sit down for the car, sit. Night I come down, the party started up. Night now when the party started, we there, we don't know what to do. Because we can't go back to the man and go tell him, what we are going to tell him? We could have gained that story. They said, boy, I look on my brother and look on me and say, what we are going to tell the man named Alti? What we are going to tell Alti say? What we say? I said, oh, the man not come back. And I said, no man, he might go come back, man. He might go come back. You know, just that today they say he might go come back and we are wait. Then tell them we don't know about can. Or we don't know about scam.
Oh my gosh.
So we go come back. Come back. Night we catch you there. And the car they see me never move. We don't know how for car. But it's obvious it's not film car. It's lying, not so.
Him saying you know.
Yeah. So we eventually end up having to push the empty trolley and go back home and go to the man and tell him, man. And tell us, when we tell the man that, man, they could have stayed from the bottom of Mountain View and hear the man running out 10 yards.
So when the
man said, no, come out of me, I'm going to get my money, come give me. I'm going to spend my money a bit. Man said, we spend the money. We spend half the money, we make up and spend the money. Man running out 10 yards. For days, months, you have to, and it's a yard that we used to hang out, you know.
Oh, God.
For months, you have to stay away from
and I when I used to get in a look at hustling from sometime.
And get to look at food and, you know. And me live close to him, you know. And as close as me live to him, you know. Yeah, we have to say a side and side me living to him, you know. Me don't make him see me, you know. I'm afraid of him, you know. Man, the man was like a giant, you know, man. Tall and thick, you know, full of muscles on him, you know. And he was a Rasta man. So when you look in here, then ready now, man. And that man Whooping out in here and say, and run out in yard, man. And say,
because them time the $70 was a lot of money.
Oh, yeah, so party, man, I keep it. Party, man, I keep it, man. And party and liquor money that can give for go buy liquor. You know?
Wow.
Man, run out in yard and say, don't come back until you find my money. Bring my money, come get me. Then we look on one and say, what we're going to do now? We just take ourselves. But we eventually work back in still. And I wanted to say when a couple of years ago, we go look for him. Then, you know, a big man like, you know, old man. In pass on and now still. We go look for him. Couple of years with lungs cancer. Because from smoking. And when the draw chalice hard, you know, man. And cough, and I'm near there. Yeah, we look for him before him pass. And I remind him at the time. And you know, so up to the time he feels that man still feel like a thief with money. Because that story they don't make it at all. We just feel that man is still hold it say a thief in money.
Oh good. Yeah guys, so as I say, we talk about the ticket in another video. I talk about all of my ticket them when me get here from police. But police never really harassed me before. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys like, share,
subscribe.
If you don't already subscribe.
Comment.
Yes, and let me know in the comment section below what you want us to talk about next.
And tell me which channel
that help.
Which channel we care of.
You come back with that, babes. There are more that people reach out to me in my inbox on Facebook. I talk about your husband too funny. Who carry off who? The nickname. Oh my gosh.
G-string.
The G-string nickname when them gear when they are pitney.
I'm not pitney. I work. Big man at work.
You did not work?
Yeah. Imagine, you know, because we never really used to wear underpants. We just never really like underpants. So we used to wear brief. And then, I remember what was the discussion I'm going to say. I'm going to talk. Say, I don't wear underpants. I brief more. My brother didn't start laugh after me. I work with them, you know, like, we don't work and I hang out. And from that, two of my brothers them started calling me G-string. And I answer and laugh about it.
Yeah.
So it never really stick. You know, it never really stick. But just one of my brothers, an Indian man, Babu. Him still, him now and then, he said, oh, I go on Giaz. Giaz or G-string.
Yo!
I say, yo, what go on? Answer him up. Right now, if you call him or so, he must say, oh, that G-string.
Allah, still do it?
Yeah, man. Still do it. I'm still answer. You know, I said no stick for me.
Yeah, Babu.
Him alone will call me, so.
When you have the girls, then we call it so now too. So.
Girls will call me, so. Yeah, answer. No problem.
As long as I them call you, so not true. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much. So
I'm not brief no more, so that name there. If they even call me, so it's not fear. It's not a fear name that.
Yeah.
You know weird. The box has weird now.
You know wear them things.
I know wear G-string no more.
You never used to wear it. A brief that.
Yeah, you want already.
No, you never wear it. You just try that.
I'm gonna try it on. I'm just put it on.
Yeah, you just put it on.
I'm gonna turn it.
That's funny. You know, that was funny. That's back in the days. You know? Alright, guys. Adios. I'll see ya in the next one. Peace.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah. To hit the notification bell so you will always know when we upload. Obi and I is going to do video every Sunday.
No.
we're going to do a video every Sunday, and it may be going to be a discussion from one thing to the next. So because they're going to be long, we are going to because the video is going to be long, we're going to cut them. Yes, that's fine. Yes, we're going to cut them so you're going to be able to see it in more than one video. So we want to start upload on Sunday by anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock, Wednesday anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock, and Friday anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock. We want to upload on those 3 days.
But if you don't hit the notification bell, you don't need all of that info. You just like I know.
You'll always know when we upload.
Be notified and subscribe to, yeah? Who don't subscribe, subscribe.
Yes. And
comment.
And share.
I mean, notice when I watch a video, but I don't comment. And if I comment, yeah? Hey.